Hi guys, welcome back. In this lecture we are just going to configure the PPP authentication method, that is PAP. Right, in the previous lecture we just configure the PPP and the PPP authentication method as CHAP, that is challenge handshake authentication protocol. So let's go with the PAP. So the command is almost same, just the difference is in PAP we just have to manually configure the administrator has to manually configure the PPP PAP send username. So these are the command that we must have to configure on the respective routers, right, for PAP to be enabled. PPP PAP send username and the R1, I mean that is the local hostname of the router, and the password. Right, on the remote router also PAP PPP PAP send username and the local hostname of the remote router, password, and the network zone, and the password. Right, so let's configure the PAP on the respective interfaces. So let's see my previous configuration. I have to delete the previous configuration to show running config. So I have already configured the username R2 and the password network zone. Right, this I'm just continuing with my previous video lecture only. Just go through it, and on the serial link I have just used the encapsulation protocol, that is PPP, and the PPP authentication is CHAP. I'm just copying this command and I'll just type no, and I'll just hit enter and just hit paste to delete this command, like no PPP authentication CHAP, because we are just going with PAP. Okay, I just interface serial 2/0 no PPP authentication PAP. Right, PPP authentication, and just go on router R2. So I just delete that configuration. So running config, PPP authentication CHAP. I'm just copying this. Interface serial 2/0 no PPP authentication CHAP. Hit enter. PPP authentication is PAP. Alright, line protocol on the interface serial 2/0 state to down. Let's see, state to down. We must have to configure the username and the password. Right, enable config to so running config. I have this username R2 and password 0, and just no username R2, password network zone, exit config username will be sorry, the username is same. I mean, I just no need to delete a username and all. Right, username for this will be R2. Just a second. Let's click enter. No, so run. So I'm going to configure the PAP config T on the router 0 PPP PAP send username interface serial 2/0 triple P path send username, that is hostname of local router, that is R1, and the password is network zone. Similarly on remote router also I'm just going to configure the triple P authentication method, that is config T interface serial 2/0 triple P path send username, that is R2, password network zone, exit. I'm not getting the prompt, that is line protocol is up. Triple P authentication path, here it is fine. Send username R2. Line protocol on the interface serial 2/0 is set to up. So we are done with our configuration, that is on both the see. If we get this message, that is the protocol is up, line protocol is up, then we are just correct with our configuration, right? So let's check our interface. Do so IP interface brief. Let's check serial 2/0 is up, right? So let's ping n.0.0.1. if you will get the reply, then our configuration is totally fine. So we are done with our configuration, right? So we have just configured triple P authentication method, that is PAP, on the respective interfaces of both the routers, and we are just getting the response via our ping reply, right? So that's all. Thank you so much for watching.